So you click this video because you want to know how to open up a Chase checking account and get $200. Well, I did this a few months ago, but instead of being $200, it was actually $300. So it's not as good as it was, but it's still worth doing because it only takes like 5 minutes to make $200. That's like $2,400 an hour. I mean, I can't do that anywhere. So this is worth doing if you need $200. $200 for free? Where do I sign up? Just as a disclaimer, Chase isn't giving me anything to make this video. I don't have any referral links or anything like that. Like I said already, the deal was a few months ago, it was $300, now it's $200, and if you sign up for the savings, you can get an additional $150 on top of the $200. So that's not a bad deal if you have some savings money you want to get started with, but I'll tell you my opinion of that at the end of the video. Some of you guys may be aware of the term credit card churning. So this is kind of a spin-off of credit card churning called bank account churning. But I'm not a huge bank account churner or a credit card churner, but I'm just telling you how I did this one time, made $300, so not really doing anything. So you can't really beat that. Hey, make sure you subscribe and like this video. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna sign up for the checking account and get approved, which I don't know why they wouldn't approve you unless you had a checking account in the past with them and you really messed up your reputation. But you're going to go ahead and make an account, and then within 90 days, you got to make a direct deposit from your employer, or if you have government benefits or a pension, and get it deposited into that checking account through direct deposit. I did this with my employer. I could do it online at where I work, but I don't know about your case. But that's the first thing you're going to want to do within 90 days. Wait 10 days after that first initial deposit and you should have your $200 in your account. So to keep the sign-up bonus, you can't close that account for 6 months. Then after that 6 months is over, you can shut the account and run away with the $200 if you really want to. I'm going to keep my account open because I like having an extra checking account if I need it. So in the fine print, Chase is going to try to charge you $12 a month for having your checking account. But there are 3 things that you can do to not get that charge. And you only have to do one of the 3 things. So the first way of getting around the $12 monthly service fee is you just make a direct deposit of $500 or more every month, and that keeps that $12 fee waived. The second option you have is to keep $1,500 or more in that account at the beginning of each day. So the third thing you can do is have a balance of $5,000 or more in any Chase checking, savings, or any other Chase qualified linked account that will let you override that $12 a month. So like I said earlier, you can open up a savings account with Chase and get a bonus of $150. But I don't know if this part's worth it. After you open up the savings account, within 20 days, you gotta deposit $10,000 or more in it to qualify for this $150. Then after that, you had to have that $10,000 or more in there for 90 days, and then at 10 days after that, you get your $150. In my opinion, I don't think it's worth all that for $150 when you can just take your money and go put it in Wealthfront or some other high interest account. My thoughts about opening up this account for $200 is I think it'd be insane if you didn't do it. You don't even have to keep it open forever. Just open it up. You could just get the money from it and then shut it down in 6 months. I know ethically that doesn't sound right, but you theoretically could do that. Chase isn't the only company that offers this. Almost every major bank offers this when you open up a checking. So all you gotta do is just go to Google, type in, hey, sign up bonuses for new checking accounts, and then it's gonna show you a list, probably like 20 banks that do this. So if you wanna go shopping around for the best bonus, that's your call. I wouldn't recommend anybody to do this that cannot keep track of if they made that direct deposit or if they need to make sure they keep that minimal balance in there. If you're kind of reckless and loose with your money, I really wouldn't recommend doing this because you might end up paying more service fees than you do the actual bonus in the long run. So just something I'd watch if you do get into this. Okay guys, there you have it. That's how you get $200 for not working. I don't know how you can do that doing anything else. So I'm going to end this video how I end every video. It ain't the actual dollar amount we're after. It's about what we can do with it as far as providing for our family and the freedom it offers. See you in the next video.